So this is one of the reasons guys me wambia I love this pair. So you can see it's a 0.39 account imekuwa traded and we are almost hitting TP. Imagine we are almost hitting take profit ban. How easy guys. Hebu check that. So let it hit take profit. And there it is, take profit hit. Hit TP once jare. Imagine it's now playing around my take profit. Ona. So I will close. So that is it. 0.36 to $7. Kind pretty good guys, manze. So this is the reason so this is the reason why you guys should be trading this pair, this volatility 75 pair. You see, I've attached some screenshots there. Previously I had only $0.36, and this is a challenge. Na challenge one of my friend ameniambia ati ni trade a weird smallest amount of money to a big amount. So ndo hii hapa deposit imeko 0.36. So hii ni after nili withdraw, then ni 0.36 nenye iko back. So I didn't deposit, ni mama tu nikaiflip. So nikaiflip up to $7.6. Wenye mnanifuatilianga mmeona. So right now nime after kufileka 7 nime withdraw 2.99. So in kama kutoa $3 ndo hapa, this is withdrawal 2.99. So right now I'm in this sell and I'm going to hold it. So I want you guys to gaze on the comment section. The close it trade ikiwa na profit ya how much? Yeah, because I'm going to hold this trade. So nani mgaze niambie ndai close ikiwa na profit ya how much? Na mtu mwenye ata gaze profit ni ngapi ndampatia ruabe kwa comment section. Tutane hapo. Yo guys, you should be trading, but I'm trade.